Hi everyone at the ninth Delhi Shorts International Film Festival film market and networking participants. I hope you're all doing well. I know this has been a difficult year, but I'm glad that we all get to connect like this and participate in this networking session, even if it's virtually. So I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Nidhya Surej, the writer and director of the short film Ma, which is screening at Delhi Shorts this year. I've also written and produced and directed four more short films, which have been selections and award winners at Indian, American, and international film festivals. Recently, the movie Ma was also the winner of the Best of Out and Loud award at the Out and Loud Pune International Queer Film Festival. Currently, I'm working on a TV pilot and also a feature film screenplay. So, as a participant at this film and arcade networking session, I'm here to seek funding for my upcoming short film, The Rose Garden. The Rose Garden is the story of two Indian American sisters and how they're forced to come together after the sudden death of their parents. This film explores in depth issues like grief, depression, and mental health while being set in the backdrop of the Indian community. The experiences of the two sisters in this film are uniquely influenced by their unique cultural background, with their mom being a Hindu and their dad being a Christian, and also of their upbringing in both Indian and American communities. As of now, I've already hired the two lead actresses, Riya Patel and Kankana Chakrabarti, to play the two sisters, and also I am also seeking a female cinematographer for this movie. As I mentioned before, my movies have been award winners and official selections at many festivals, and I know that Rose Garden is going to follow on the same path. If I receive funding for this movie, the funding will go towards the pre-production, the production, and the post-production process. And of course, I will be submitting this movie to over 100 to 200 international and national prestigious film festivals. So, with that being said, I look forward to talking to you all, and I'm looking forward for some creative sessions and to see what we can all come up with. You guys can reach me on my social media handles over here, and I really just look forward to this networking session and talking to you all. Thank you so much.